Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
And then, so we'll go, I'll have my rifle out. Anybody else that's got rifles, we'll keep a good distance from them. Don't try to pin them in. If they got a gun, I don't want to do that close. Okay. Y'all good with that?
Yep. Yeah, so hey, the part where it's going to be at by building 9 or 10,
yeah,
it's going to be like right as you enter that first left,
Right
which
there.
is very short.
Okay.
So getting a good, felony car stop, we're probably going to be canted off onto the left or right side of the car.
Cool. I'll do my best. So we need to reposition. We know this car. It's one we've been dealing with and been actually looking for. So it's going to be pretty obvious when we see it.
We're the last.
Literally, no. You're just blocking the entrance.
Gotcha. So
okay?
hey, if it is that left spot, we can just plant the one car right there, so we're not blocking off the whole distance.
Okay, cool.
If we're last in.
Cool. Thanks, guys. Get your rifles ready.
Who you going in first?
What's that?
You going in first? So this will not. So
yeah,
this is what it looks like. All right.
Yeah. Give me a look.
We'll pull in. It'll be right there to the left.
Yeah.
This is the street right here. This is where we're coming out, Pleasant Valley.
Yeah.
Take a left into the parking lot, and it goes to another little parking lot right here.
So you go right here, in.
Yeah. And then it kind of opens up to another. This is a big building right here.
Yeah.
Building.
And we think it's right here.
We're thinking it's right here.
Okay.
All right. So I guess we'll pull in. A couple of cars pull in first.
Yeah.
Block it in this way. We'll
Yep.
block this way and see if we can get a car blocking this way.
Okay. I'll go in first. You come up on my right. You go right behind him. Okay. Okay. We're gonna go right into that thing, assuming that they're there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Officers Cantu Harkless, Ratcliffe, Taylor, Piper, Morgan, Cretia, Tavares, and Hart entered the complex at 6:35 p.m. The officers directly engaged 42-year-old Michael Ramos as he sat inside his vehicle.
See your hands! Right now! Hands out! Get up! Hands! Let me see your hands on the left! Do not move! Hey! Hands up! Hands up! Driver! Slowly always keeping your hands up! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up, driver! Hands up! Michael Ramos, you're gonna listen to everything we say. You need to listen. Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Hey, Hart, on you. Hey,
Get off into the vehicle.
Hey, Hart, I got it.
Now.
Michael Ramos, step out, keep your hands up. Step out of the car. Michael Ramos, step out of the car with your hands up. Step out of the car with your hands up. Step out of the car, walk out, walk out, walk out towards me. Come, keep coming, stop right there, stop right there. I want you to lift up your shirt from your shoulders, turn around, slowly turn around in a circle. Slowly turn around in a circle. Keep going, keep going, keep going, stop, stop, walk towards me. Michael Ramos, you're going to get impacted if you don't listen. Walk towards me. Hey, move to the center. Move to the center. Michael Ramos! Michael Ramos! Michael Ramos! Hey, listen to me, man. Hey, relax. Relax, Michael. I need you to turn around for me. Michael! Michael, listen to me, man. Michael, listen to me, man. Just listen. I want you to turn around for me, man. Turn around for me, Michael. I don't have an angle. Turn around for me. I'll explain it in a second. I can't explain it right now, Michael, but you need to turn around.
Leave your hands up!
Michael! Yeah.
Man, what the fuck is fucking shoes, man? The fucking tripping on, dog? Man, what the fuck y'all tripping on, dog? Why all y'all not going, dog? Man, what the fuck, man? I don't got no fucking gun, dog. What the fuck? Man, hang on with your fucking gun right there. Keep your hands up, passenger. For what?
Hey, do not move! Turn off the car! Turn off the car, Michael, don't do it!
Get out of the car!
Michael, get out! Hey,
Do not leave!
Stay on the
Do
ground!
not leave! He was trying to take on somewhere. Do not move! Stay alive!
Hands! Let me see your hands on the left! Do not move! Hey! Hands up! Hands up! Driver! Slowly open, keeping your hands up!
Hands here, please.
Keep your hands up, driver! Hands up!
Michael Ramos, you need to listen to everything we say. You need to listen. Keep your hands off. I'm turning the radio off.
No!
No!
Hey, somebody go voice.
I'll hold passenger, you hold driver.
Michael Ramos, get out of the car. Hands up. Step out of the car. Get out of the car. Get your hands up.
Bring him.
Goddamn, man. Put them guns down, dog. Man, look, man. Man, what the fuck going on, man?
Hey,
Man, what the fuck?
Come towards us!
Man,
do not go towards that door.
man, what the fuck, man? Why you...
Michael Ramos,
What?
if you don't listen,
What the fuck?
towards me.
Man, y'all scaring the fuck
Impacted.
out of me, dog.
Do we have a less lethal?
I heard him.
Man, don't shoot, dog. Man, don't shoot.
Move up, move up.
I got you.
Impact.
Man,
Go with it. Forgive me.
man, what the fuck, dog?
Going back towards it.
Man, what the
Don't go back.
shit, man?
Impact up. Impact up.
Packed up, get ready.
What? What the fuck?
Yeah.
Man, what the
I can't. I don't have an angle. I have
fuck going on,
a.
dog?
Hold on.
I'm gonna have to go to the right.
Man, what's
I got you.
going on, dog?
Take a deep breath, reposition to the right side of that car.
Man, what the fuck, man?
Hey, Michael, get on your knees.
Man, what the
Get on your knees.
Man, what the fuck you fucking shooting, man?
Get on your knees.
The fuck you tripping on, dog?
Impact him.
Man, what the fuck y'all tripping on, dog?
Now.
Why all y'all got guns, dog?
Impact him!
Man, what the fuck, man? I don't got no fucking
Okay.
guns, dog. What the fuck?
Carl.
Man, hell no with them fucking guns like that.
I'm gonna impact you.
Impact me for what?
Walk towards the supply with
No, put the fucking gun down, dog. Man, what the fuck, dog?
Impact it.
Hey! Get out of the car! Hey, get ready. Move up. Michael! Hey, get ready. Hey, moving on.
Moving, I'm on you. I'm on you, I'm on you.
On your left, on your left, on your left. On your left.